Good morning, YouTube. Time for a cold start. Good morning, YouTube. touch the pedal and you're past the speed limit. So always got to maintain the speed limit. Even a Prius, just to see if I can get a reaction out of people. All I got was a thumbs up, which is great. This car is awesome, but not even a single person trying to take it on. I don't know if they've seen this channel or what. Didn't nobody want to race me. I was hoping even at least a Prius. I mean, those guys are getting a little bit faster now when they're putting Hellcat engines in their Priuses. That's at least what I saw on YouTube. If I ran into that, that'd probably scare me. No, not a single race, so I was a little disappointed. Had a camera all set up, ready to go. Had a buddy in the car so he can do some filming too, but nothing, not a single one. Saw a lot of cars in opposite lane. That's always what happens to me. See the Camaro, see the Mustangs, you name it. Not a single one in my lane. Either that or they couldn't keep up. Hey, who knows? Alrighty guys, let's do a quick 0 to 60. Quick review of the Trinity Diablo Sport T1000. As you can see, it's touchscreen or you have the buttons. I go to my performance. Here's where I can use a custom tune if I got it from somebody. And it does tell you that your ECU has to be unlocked, which mine is. In there I can do can tunes or custom tunes. You have to do it with the car being off. My car is currently running. Racing. This is my 0 to 60, 0 to 100, 1/8 mile, 1/4 mile. If I click on one of those, I can do motion start or drag tree. Let's do drag tree just so you can get an idea. It's gonna start counting down and you'll see these lights go just like on a drag strip, and then it starts going. So it'll even keep track of your reaction time. Monitoring. This is where you can set up your custom gauges. I have a lot of them. So let's go to 7-Up Tuner. 7-Up Hemi. As you can see, my vehicle speed, RPMs, you name it, will show up. Diagnostics. This will show all my trouble codes. And as you can see, I have a P0128 coolant code. It's below regulating temperature, so then I can actually clear it if I wanted. And then logging is basically where I can set up my custom gauges, and then options. That's the Diablo Sport. I love it, works well. I have my wire tucked in to the back. I'll show you here. As you can see, that's that. Please like, subscribe, and comment.